Hi guys, this is Fad and welcome to my channel Interesting Information with Fad. Today I'm going to show you some very interesting that how we can block any search engine or any website. First, is very important to know that why we need to block any website or any search engine. The reason behind that, if the system or PC or laptop is used in house purpose, so we need to restrict and we need to block some website, and we only allow some to access some specific websites only. And second one is that if the PC is used for office purpose, if the PC or laptop was used for the office purpose, so we need to block some websites, and we only want to allow some specific site which can be accessed. And third and most important is that if the laptop and system is used for the examination purpose, so we want to block the search engine, that so that nobody can search any material from Google or some others from some other sites. So this video will help to you. So finally, I request to all of you that please watch the complete video till end. I will show you step by step that how we can block any website, any search engine. So without any delay, let's start the video. First step is that we need to open the file explorer option. Here the search bar, I'm searching the file explorer option. Here you can see the file explorer option. We need to open it and click on the view tab. Here you can see the current selection is don't show hidden files, so we need to select it on show hidden file and apply, then click OK and refresh the browser. And another thing is that I'm going to show you, you can see my internet is connected, and I will show you the website through Google, youtube.com. You can see here the YouTube is working. And another website I will show you, the Facebook. Here you can see the Facebook page is working. And third one, I will show you the Google. Here you can see the Google page is working. So now we will start the video. First we need to open the PC. Here you can see the C drive. We need to open the C. Here you can see the window option. Double click on it and open the window folder. Here we need to find the system 32-bit folder. Here is the Windows system 32-bit folder. Double click on it. Here we need to find the driver folders. Here you can see the driver folder. Open it, and finally here you can see etc. Double click on it. Okay. Now you can see here the host file. We need to make some changes in host file. So one thing is very important to know here, that we cannot make any changes inside the system folder, because mostly Windows are not allowed to make any changes inside the system folder. So minimize the selection current tab. Here we need to copy the host file, copy and paste it into the desktop. Right, yes. Now double click on it, open it into the notepad, click OK. Okay, finally the notepad, our system file is open. We need to copy the local host and paste it into the very below. Okay, Now we start the changing. Here you can see the directory 1 is already exists, so we change it into the 2. Delete the localhost name. Now we copy the YouTube URL address and paste. Okay, we type here the another keywords for YouTube. Change the directory into 3 because 2 is already exist, and just write here the youtube.com. okay, you can write any other word if you want, but I think 2 words is enough. Now second site is facebook.com. Copy here, paste, or you can directly write here, copy, paste, change the directory number from 3 to 4, copy the same text to Ctrl C, paste here, change the directory name to 5, just write the facebook.com, and finally and last website is Google. Ctrl C, paste here, copy the directory name, paste here, just change the 5 into 6, make some selection, and another word for Google is change into 7, and right here is google.com. And last word is for the Google is change the name to 8, and here we need to type okay. Remove the dots from the end, and now we need to save the video through Ctrl S, or we can save the video from file option. Here you can see the save and click on it. So now close the video, minimize the search engine. Now we just need to drag down the folder in SAM file into the SAM folder, replace here, click on continue. Okay, the work is done finally. Now we need to close the folder, refresh the page, and also we need to close the browser, again refresh. Now we are going to open, double click on it, search here first YouTube. Finally here you can see the YouTube is blocked now, my internet is connected. And second one I will show you the Google. Here you can see finally the Google is blocked, my internet is connected. You can see both sides are blocked. You can block any site which you want. Now I will show you how we can restore the settings. Let's close the window, again open the same folder, C, go to the window. Here we need to go the system folder, go to the drive, open the etc, and again copy the host file from here, paste it into the desktop, minimize the folder, drag into the right side, double click on host file, select Notepad and open the file. Now we need to remove all the website from the Notepad file. Click Ctrl S, or we can save the file from save option. Close the file. Again, drag down the file into the SAM folder, place the file in SAM destination, continue, close the folder, refresh the PC, again open the browser, now search the YouTube, and finally you can see the YouTube is working, and another one is the Google. Here you can see the Google is working. So finally the work is done. Hope you understand the step-by-step video. Please like, subscribe and share our video with your friends so that anyone can get the benefit from this video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.